Don't you deserve more? You know MagSafe, the feature that was so good that when Apple removed it, it caused so much protest, Apple had to bring it back. The problem is that MagSafe only exists for your computer. Well, it did until we made our Volta Max, which brings the same technology to all of your devices. Doesn't matter if it's USB-C, Lightning, or micro USB.
But is it good?
One cable, two devices, both charging. This is the Volta Max Lite, the world's first dual magnetic charging cable. Every magnetic cable before this one charged a single device, one head, one port, one thing at a time. That was always the limit. So we built the first that charges two at once. One head is straight, one bends at 90 degrees. Built for the places a straight cable was never practical. Car docks, phone propped on its stand, and so many more. But we also improved the cable because you told us our old cables were too rigid, so we listened. The Lite is the lightest, most flexible cable we have ever made. You will barely know it's in your hand. And with the magnetic tips that sit in your port, you can leave it in for daily charging and pop it out with a fingernail whenever you like. The cable itself never has to enter the port again. No more wear and tear, no more loose ports, just the same effortless connection Apple has kept for the MacBooks, now on every device you own. And when life catches the cable, it lets go before the device does. We call it snag-free. The seatbelt you never thought your device needed. The interchangeable tips cover USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. Your new phone, your partner's older iPhone, the tablet on the bedside, one cable charges all of them with up to 240 watts of power. Say goodbye to aligning, forcing, or even looking at how to plug in your cable. Now, for most people, that's going to be convenience. For people with tremors, lower vision, or limited dexterity, it is independence. It's also nylon braided, has an LED charge indicator, a USB-A adapter built in, data transfer, wired CarPlay and Android Auto. And if you're already a Volta backer, the Lite uses the exact same tips your Volta Max and the Mag adapter use. 3 versions, 1 tip standard, everything just snaps in. So, snap, charge, done. Back the Volta Max Lite on Kickstarter today.